In CONNECTExplorer, you can split your image window into two panes, which allows you to view the feature on your screen from two different angles, or two different years at the same time. This is possible through the dual pane option located in the bottom right corner of the interface. Clicking this button will cause your single image window to become two separate panes. Each pane contains its own navigation control, zoom control, maps, date stamp, historic imagery, and multiple image lists. The first time you enter dual pane mode, the images in both panes will be the same. If you pan or zoom one image, the other side will move in unison. You will see how to change these settings in a moment. If you'd like to view the feature on your screen from two different angles, simply click the rotational arrows in one pane and the image will rotate independent of the original image. Be sure to always note the compass in the upper left-hand corner so that you are aware of your current orientation. If you turn on a GIS layer, measure, or identify a feature, the results will appear in both panes simultaneously. For those users who have access to historical imagery, it is possible to view two different years at the same time, helping to identify how a location has changed over time. This ability depends on your historical imagery. Where available, click the Select Date button on the bottom of either pane and choose the year that you'd like to see. Now you have a historic image on one side of the dual pane and a more current image on the other. Take note of the date stamp of each image when comparing two different years of imagery. Pictometry recommends that you view new imagery in the left pane and historic imagery in the right pane. When you close dual pane, which is done by clicking the same button in the bottom right corner, single pane mode will display the image from the left side, keeping the most current image on your screen. If you would like to change the settings that dictate how imagery appears in dual pane mode, visit the Preferences menu. Click the account icon in the upper right-hand corner of the interface and choose Preferences. Scroll until you see the dual pane options. Here you can turn on or turn off the synchronization of panning, zooming, and orientation between both panes. As with all preference selections, these settings will be remembered each time you log in until you decide to change them.